Best things about Confetti.
It has everything here. Everything's under one roof.
It's an actual business and it knows about the music industry.
Good careers advice.
Everything about Confetti is relaxed. The teachers are excellent.
Everybody's got a common interest. Everybody's here for the music. Each day I learn something new.
I've got grades now that I never thought I'd have.
Confetti provides an excellent route into the industry because it is the industry.
I'm hoping to go on to sound engineering.
To work in the music industry as producer.
I've gone on the course and I've not looked back.